Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to block Roblox on your iPad. First, open your iPad Settings app and locate Screen Time. If it's not already on, enable Screen Time. This feature is essential for managing app usage. Next, create a strong 4-digit Screen Time passcode. This passcode is crucial for preventing unauthorized changes to your restrictions, ensuring your settings remain secure and effective. Now that Screen Time is active, let's dive into content restrictions. Within the Screen Time menu, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. You'll need to enter your Screen Time passcode here. Once inside, toggle on Content and Privacy Restrictions at the top. This step unlocks the ability to control various types of content and app usage on the device, giving you granular control over what can be accessed. To block Roblox, you have two main options. First, under Content Restrictions, tap Apps. You can then set an age rating, such as 9+, which will restrict apps above that rating. Alternatively, and often more effectively, go back to the main Screen Time menu and select App Limits. Tap Add Limit, choose Games, then select Roblox. Set the time limit to 0 minutes and tap Add. This will block the app completely. After applying these settings, return to your iPad's home screen. You should notice that the Roblox app icon is now either grayed out or completely hidden, indicating it's successfully blocked. Try tapping it to confirm it cannot be opened. Remember to periodically review your Screen Time settings. As children grow, their needs change, and you might want to adjust these restrictions accordingly to maintain a balanced and safe digital environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.